In this video, I'll show you how to diagnose and replace worn out front drive wheels on a self-propelled mower. All you need are replacement wheels and a 15mm socket. To diagnose the worn out drive wheels, I'll start the mower and engage the drive. Once they're spinning, I will touch the wheels to the ground and you'll see that they stop immediately. That's because the sprockets are worn out, as I'll show you later in this video. To remove the wheel, you'll need a 15mm ratchet. Hold the wheel in place and then loosen the nut with the ratchet. Once it's loose, you can probably take it off by hand. Just slide the replacement wheel back on. Put the nut on and tighten it up. You can see the difference between these wheels. The new one, the teeth go the full way to the edge. On the old one, the teeth are worn away where it engages the sprocket that drives them. I'll put a link in the description of this video where you can buy these exact same wheels on Amazon. They're pretty inexpensive and easy to replace, as you can see. To test the new wheels, I'll start the mower and then engage the drive wheels and hit them to the ground. As you can see, the wheels keep spinning and pull the mower along. The same procedure applies to most front wheel drive lawnmowers. Husqvarna, I know, is one that takes the exact same wheels. So if it's a front wheel drive that looks similar to this and has a Briggs and Stratton motor, it's probably made in the same factory, same procedure, possibly even the same part number. If you're not sure, you can look at the part number for your lawnmower and Google that and parts diagram or parts list. Get a parts list, find the right part and replace them yourself. It's a lot easier and cheaper actually than taking it somewhere to have them fixed. If you found this video helpful, give me a thumbs up and tell me about it in the comments. You can also subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips. Thanks.